Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be going to talk about amazing kitchen gadgets that are next level. Let's get started. Watermelon Slicer Tool. Here is a tool that, approximately $30, will allow you to quickly and easily cut a watermelon. It was developed by the American company Odyssey Mall. The tool can be used to cut gourds, melons, and other types of crops, in addition to watermelons. The pulp is promptly chopped into neat little cubes by this equipment. Additionally, it enables you to remove the entire pulp right down to the rind. Brushes by Joseph. This is a cutlery brush for blades. The bristles that were crossed clean both sides quite well. It is also completely safe to clean knives with the blade in place. The $8 Edge brush is made for dishwashing and has a rough exterior that prevents it from slipping out of your wet hands. Pay close attention to the sink rest. It enables you to maximize the area surrounding the sink, while washing the brush is simply left hanging from the edge of the sink. The plates are not scratched by the scraper's gentle bristles, while also unstick food. You can even clean difficult to reach spots because to its unusual angle. The cost is $14. Pomegranate Deseeder. You can purchase this kitchen tool that will enable you to quickly select pomegranate seeds for $14. There are 3 steps to process. Pomegranates should be chopped, placed on the gadget, and then tapped. The seeds will fall down as a result of the grid's pressure doing its work. Draining the liquid and rinsing the seeds from the residual peel are the following steps. Colander by Equilibric. We are all aware that washing produced before eating is a good idea. The water spills in all directions during this process, however, can be very annoying. Fruits that have just been washed tumble into the sink and either collapse or get unclean once more. Equilibria or US solution experts respectively. Here is a special colander that secures the bowl. The colander's secret is that it is made up of 2 bowls, one inside the other. The inner bowl stays still when you tilt the outer bowl while holding the handle. The manufacturer advises filling the bowl with water and cleaning the food inside of it to save up to 60% of water. This appliance costs $13 to purchase. Poach-Pro. Here is another Joseph cooking tool, the Poach-Pro. This time is a specialized poached egg mold. Poach-Pro is a device that uses 2 silicone molds to make preparing this meal very simple. Put a plastic wrap between them and the raw egg first. The mold is then lowered into the boiling water. The integrity of the poached egg is preserved. The egg may be taken out more easily. Pay close attention to the tooth edges as they make it easier to remove extra wrapping. The Poach-Pro is $14 in price. Digital Oven Thermometer. A Tescoma digital oven thermometer. It has a heat-resistant probe that inserts itself right into the meat or pastry. The monitor indicates the temperature of the dish in degrees Celsius, ranging from 0 to 300. We want to attract your attention to the timer that is already there. When the oven-cooked meal reaches the desired level of doneness, the device emits a sound. On the back of the thermometer and magnets, its $40 cost enables it to be affixed to any metal surface. PL8 Pasta Maker. The item costs $40 and is available to purchase. Notably, the PL8 can assist you with nearly even aspect of pasta preparation. The gadget has 2 useful compartments. The first one aids in rolling out the dough, and a lever on the side allows you to change its thickness. Pasta is made from the dough in the second component, which has a specific blade. Sharp Shield Gloves. For around $30, the British business JML has a fix for the issue. Cutting, cleaning, and opening cans become completely safe when using these protective gloves, which offer the best resistance to practically any cutting impact. The material from which the gloves are produced is their secret. Copper and polyethylene fibers are combined to create it. They provide optimal protection and give the gloves flexibility. They're rated at level 5 for cut resistance on the EN388 standard. Chocolate Fondue. This Tess Gomer gadget is ideal. It can be packed into desserts or used to garnish them. Making chocolate fondue with fruits involves dipping pieces of fruits or cookies in melted with hot chocolate, which is then consumed. The removable bowl of this appliance, which you may wash whenever necessary, is a benefit. $34 is the cost. PL8 Cubing Mandoline. This professional grater creates slices that are all the same thickness. Put the fruits or vegetable in the designated bowl, or if it's an oblong produce, use the provided pins to secure it to the holder. Keep in mind that there is a minimal hand blade contact. The cutter provides numerous options for processing items. In addition to making cubes rather than slices, the slice width can be changed. This device costs $80 and is available. Bavarian Edge. Keep your kitchen knives as sharp as you can to maintain the Bavarian Edge compared to other conventional sharpeners. JML's Bavarian Edge performs significantly better. The video shows how quickly you can use this device to sharpen even a plastic playing card. Any knife, even bread knives, can be sharpened with the device. When the knife is inside, the sharpening angle created by the device's springs is optimum. The outcome is outstanding. The sharpener is $26 in cost. Which of the inventions amazes you the most? Is this video helpful to you? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you like this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.